This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make faux lovely Mimi easy guide. Char your onion and ginger first to build immediate flavor. Start simmering bones on low and skim foam for a clear broth. Toast whole spices briefly and add with aromatics once skimming is done. Keep the heat gentle and taste as it reduces, adjusting salt and fish sauce to reach a savory, layered, and comforting faux base. Prepare your rice noodles just before serving so they stay springy and separate. Blanch quickly in boiling water, then transfer to warm bowls before ladling hot broth over them. Slice proteins thinly across the grain so they cook instantly in the ladle of broth. Keep a small resting bowl to collect any juices from the meat and add them back for an extra savory boost when assembling each bowl for a restaurant-quality finish. Set up a garnish station so diners can personalize each bowl with fresh herbs and crunchy bean sprouts. Slice lime and chilies thinly for quick brightness and heat that awakens the broth. Provide small bowls of hoisin and sriracha for sweet or spicy options that complement the savory base. Encourage guests to add herbs at the last moment to preserve aroma and texture, creating a lively, layered faux experience every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.